Guys, my liver has suffered.
My washing machine is here.
This napata na compliments mob. Unanukia vizuri. Which part? Yes. Hey guys, hello my beautiful people, how have you all been? Yeah, so I'm getting ready to go out with Asami. We're going out for lunch, late lunch. Yeah, you know, my girl called and now I'm responding because, you know, we have to go out, we have to be catching up. And me, nowadays I prefer going out for those things like lunch. Because I've been clubbing for the longest time. I've been partying, by the way. If I vlogged my nightlife, guys, my liver has suffered. My liver has suffered. So you're going to Inti, if that's how it's pronounced. Yeah, we're gonna have lunch there. I'm still deciding on what to wear kwa sababu there's this dress I bought the other day, like a few months ago, na sijaiva but nimeona watu wameivaa sana and is almost out of fashion, so I wanna try it. Ikikaa poa, I'll wear it. If it doesn't, I'll just wear a dress that I wore on my graduation day, cause pia hiyo nimeivaa tu once na sijapata occasion ya kuivaa. So yeah, that's what's up. So this dress nearly buy like months ago, but a lot of people have worn it. Nimeona sana social media, people have posted wearing it. So sijui niivae leo. It's a satin dress, this one. I think it will be nice for this particular occasion. So I'm just gonna do a get ready with me, then I'm gonna come back. Guys, aki mimi eyebrows zangu, me I'm tired, by the way. There's nothing I can do right now because Asami is already on her way. She's already on her way to where we are meeting. So nikianza sahi kusema ati hapa yuko poa, guys, we're gonna stay here. Nastaki kumkalisha. I know the pain of staying somewhere peke yako. Eyebrows tu ndo kitu inanisumbua na blush. Hiyo tu. Of which ndakuja tu kukua better at it. So at this point sijali. There's nothing I can do about it. Juu unaona blush nimepakadi huku. Ule iko. Nikiendelea ndaharibu. So I'll see you guys nikitoka ama nikimmeet. So bye guys. We outside. Cheers, babe. Wait, am I getting? Cheers. Where? guys, how have you all been? I know you miss me and I miss you too. So yeah, most of the time I've been trying to vlog but najipata already nimefika mali nilikuwa naenda, or I remember so late already, when I already eaten, already had fun, like I've already done everything that I'm supposed to vlog. I don't know why I keep forgetting to vlog, but yeah. So I'm going to Junction Mall to get some things. Yeah. Plus I want to see the prices of a washing machine. Aki guys, nimechoka kuhaya watu wanifulie, nimechoka kupeleka nguo zangu laundry because I feel like hawafanyi kazi nataka. Plus also kuna some things that, and I also feel like itakuwa more cheaper if I have my own washing machine. And yeah, so I'm going right now. I'm already ready. It's just here, so I'm not gonna put a lot of effort in my dressing. So I'm gonna see you guys then. Yeah, see you at Junction Mall. Guys, I'm back home and I want to show you the things that I got. So I got this sachet noodles. Niko na container. Hapa container ndaziweka 3 of them. It's not a lot, but as always you should buy this. Drinking chocolate, Colgate, orange water, 3 of them. Also some wipes. Yeah, so this perfume I've used it before. Now it smells so nice. The last time nilikuwa hapo nayo, but leo nimeipata. I am so happy. This is like my day-to-day perfume. Naipenda sana, inanukia vizuri. Each and every time I wear this napata na compliments mob. Unanukia vizuri. Which perfume are you using? Yeah. So yeah, I got this. Also, Dove. You can never go wrong with Dove. Never. I got some Epic. What is this? Let's get it here. Got Epic. I got body scrub and face scrub, but I'm not gonna use it on my face. So body shower gel, body scrub, another shower gel. I'm obsessed with this. I am so obsessed with this. Micellar water. Hey, yani this thing makes my work easier. Like it makes my work easier. Yani hata nikitoka clubbing nimelewa na staki, this is a lifesaver. I'm gonna try this for the first time. I've never used it. Hey, see, my scalp has been itching. Nobody told me like naweza mka katikati ya usiku nikae chini kwa bed nianze kujikuna. Guy, I don't know what product they used on this seaweed, but najikuna. Hey, I got this. Let's try this. We're gonna see how it works. And also body gel, hair gel, edges for the edges. And here I roll on. Also, I also went to Good Life. I needed this cream. This cream somebody recommended. Yeah. Also, I got this gel cream. Yeah. I've been using CeraVe, but I'm not seeing changes, so I've changed to this. So let's see this. I'm gonna give you a feedback about this one. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce it well. Nastaki kujaibisha. Never. Okay, I also got some supplements. from Healthy. I'm just gonna show you guys. I got this for my gut health. Still at Healthy You. Live life well. Got this vitamin C, and also got magnesium for my muscles. This one. So yeah, so that's it. Also, I told you guys that I'm going to look for a washing machine. Guess what? I found it. But first, I need to fix my balcony. I need to get those covers that cover my balcony. So I'm planning to move out by the end of this year. But I feel like nikingojet nihame ndo nibai, it doesn't make sense. So I just get it first. Nikiyama, well and good. Nikikosa, well and good. So I'm gonna cover my balcony, the whole of my balcony. Yenye unapata like vumbi na mvua aingi. And I'm so glad I'm gonna do that. Plus, nikisha cover the balcony, then I'm gonna pay for my washing machine. Then ikiwa hapa, I wanna do all of these things this week. Staki yene next week. No. I wanna do it this week, everything. So guys, pray for me. Anyway guys, I'll see you later. I'm gonna eat some pork and some greens, vegetables, pork and ugali. So I'm gonna see you guys maybe tomorrow or on Friday maybe. So bye guys.
My washing machine is here. Oh my god, so my baby is here. Guys, I'm so happy. So what's remaining is the balcony covers, which you're gonna get very soon. I mean this week. So yeah, I'm so happy. God is happy. Baby is happy.